Welcome to the Passionate Road Eater, where we stay on the road to keep you safe on the road. On this episode of TPR, our focus is on Harambee Avenue and the white elephant that is the intelligent pedestrian crossing which was built at taxpayers' expense. This intelligent pedestrian crossing is used in more advanced nations due to its ability to enhance movement of traffic while at the same time easing crossing of roads for pedestrians. This is how it should work. A pedestrian presses the button when they want to cross and waits for the lights to turn red, signaling cars to stop. What makes this crossing efficient is that should there not be a pedestrian, the lights will remain green, allowing traffic to flow continuously without interruption. 4 years ago, 2 intelligent pedestrian crossings were installed on Harambee Avenue. Today, none of them works. Instead, despite the zebra crossings, it is still hazardous for pedestrians to cross the street, renowned for hosting a myriad of government offices. Crossing the busy street is a nightmare for pedestrians, as this example illustrates. The traffic lights at the pedestrian crossing next to the National Treasury work on and off. When on, however, they do not work as they should and are automated instead. We found pedestrians ignorant of the button that ought to stop traffic for them to cross. These women begin crossing oblivious of the pedestrian assist button that should help them get to the other side safely. An attempt by TPR to press the button in order to get assistance in crossing failed as the button is not in working condition. What we found here is that pedestrians cross while the lights are green and vehicles pass while the lights are red. This man on phone almost got hit halfway into the crossing. The traffic lights at the pedestrian crossing next to the National Treasury are off sometimes. The zebra crossing here does not have any type of bump to reduce the speed of cars or motorbikes, which results in scenes such as these. This is the state of affairs at this crossing. Despite having an elongated bump at the zebra crossing near the National Bank building to reduce the speed of vehicles and motorbikes, crossing for pedestrians is still unsafe. Here yet is another illustration of how dangerous it is to cross the road. On this busy street, motorbikes pose a potent threat to pedestrians as they zoom by. As we found out, this is the norm. Vehicles overtaking at the pedestrian crossing also add to the danger involved in crossing. Impatient drivers, such as the one for this Toyota Premio KBZ 511N, make life difficult for pedestrians. In such a case as this, a policy prohibiting vehicles from overtaking at a pedestrian crossing in a two-way street seems appropriate. Cases of illegally parked vehicles are increasing on Harambee Avenue, adding to the danger in crossing the street. Over and above the traffic lights not working, the paint at the zebra crossing next to the National Treasury has faded. Signage to instruct pedestrians on how to use the intelligent zebra crossing is also missing and may have been vandalized. This investment by the government can be salvaged and used for its rightful purpose. At TPR, we believe that these 3 men, Patrick Mbogo, the County Executive for Mobility and Works at Nairobi County, Johnson Sakaja, the Governor of Nairobi County, and Kipchumba Murkomen, The Cabinet Secretary at the Ministry of Roads and Transport can fully address this issue. We leave you to ponder how long it takes for this lady to cross the road, and if this is the Kenya we want. Remember, just because a road is smooth doesn't mean it is safe.